Hello everyone, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Your Contacts app does a lot more than simply store phone numbers. With the right settings, you can keep your contacts organized, automatically back them up, remove duplicate entries, and even make it easier for friends and family to recognize you when you call. In this video, I'll walk you through the contact settings that are actually worth configuring on your Samsung Galaxy S26. By the end of this guide, your contacts will be cleaner, easier to manage, and better protected. Let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the Apps screen, then launch either the Contacts app or the Phone app. For this tutorial, we'll access the Contact settings through the Phone app. Tap the Phone app from the home screen, then switch to the Contacts tab if it isn't already selected. You'll now see your complete contacts list. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Then tap Contacts Settings. This menu contains nearly everything you need to organize your contacts, manage backups, customize how names are displayed, and configure several useful features that many Galaxy users never notice. Let's begin with your profile card. Tap Profile Card and Picture. Think of this as your digital contact card. If you've already created one, you can share your name, profile photo, and contact information with other people. Turn on the switch next to Profile Card and Picture Sharing. Next, tap Share With. For most people, Contacts Only is the safest option because only people you've saved can view your shared profile. If you don't mind making your profile available to anyone who has your phone number, you can choose Everyone instead. If you've recently updated your profile and someone isn't seeing the latest information, you can also refresh your contacts from this screen. Now let's look at Phone Number. Tap Phone Number. Here you can add another phone number that's linked to your profile so people can identify you more easily. If one of the listed numbers is no longer active, tap the three-dot menu, tap Remove, select the number, then tap Remove again to delete it. Now let's clean up your contacts. If you've restored backups, changed phones, or synchronized multiple accounts over the years, chances are you have duplicate contacts. Fortunately, Samsung makes fixing this incredibly easy. Return to the previous screen and tap Merge Duplicate Contacts. Your Galaxy S26 automatically scans for duplicate names, phone numbers, and email addresses. Review the list. If everything looks correct, tap Select All, then tap Merge. Tap Merge once more to confirm. Samsung combines the duplicate entries into a single contact while keeping all available information, so you don't lose any phone numbers or email addresses. Next, let's move contacts between accounts. Tap Move Contacts to another storage location. This is especially useful if some contacts are saved on your phone while others are stored in your Google or Samsung account. Choose the current storage location. Select the contacts you want to move, choose the destination account. Finally, tap Move, then tap OK. Keeping your contacts in one account makes backups and synchronization much easier. Speaking of backups, let's look at Import and Export. Tap Import Contacts. Use this whenever you're bringing contacts into your Galaxy S26 from another phone, a SIM card, or a backup file. Simply follow the prompts to complete the import. Now return to the previous screen and tap Export Contacts. Exporting creates a backup of your address book that you can save or transfer to another device. It's one of those features you may never need until the day you're really glad you have it. Now let's choose where new contacts should be saved. Tap Default Storage Location. By default, many Galaxy phones save new contacts to the phone itself. While that's perfectly fine, saving contacts directly to your Google or Samsung account is usually the better choice because they'll automatically sync with your other devices and are much easier to restore if you replace your phone. Select whichever account works best for you. Now let's organize your contacts list. Tap Sort Contacts By. Choose whether you'd like contacts sorted by first name or last name. Then tap Name Format. Here you can choose whether names appear as first name, last name, or last name first. These settings take effect immediately, so you can quickly pick whichever format feels more natural. Another setting that's worth enabling is Show Frequently Contacted. Turn on the switch. Your Galaxy S26 will automatically display the people you've contacted most often during the last 30 days, making them much quicker to access. Next is the recycle bin. This is one setting I highly recommend leaving enabled. Turn on the recycle bin switch. When enabled, deleted contacts remain recoverable for up to 30 days. That means if you accidentally delete someone's information, you can restore it without any hassle. If you turn this feature off, deleted contacts are permanently removed immediately. You'll also find an option to show third-party actions inside contact details. When enabled, compatible messaging and communication apps can appear directly within a contact, allowing you to call, message, or interact with that person without opening another app first. Finally, let's quickly review app permissions. Return to the main settings menu. Tap Apps, find and select Contacts. Then tap Permissions. Here you can review every permission used by the Contacts app. If features such as contact syncing, profile sharing, or caller information aren't working properly, checking permissions is often one of the first troubleshooting steps worth trying. Only allow permissions that you're comfortable granting while making sure the app has access to the features it needs. And that's pretty much everything you should know about configuring the contact settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Taking just a few minutes to set these options up can help keep your contacts organized, reduce duplicates, improve syncing, and make it much easier to manage your address book over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.